Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide custom meta boxes in WooCommerce edit page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now we are in edit page. You see custom meta boxes. Now you see product short description, product tag, product categories. So you can hide according to your requirement. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see ID, this is section ID, and now you see normal or side. Now go to edit page. So this is sidebar. Now you see this is sidebar and this is normal section. Now back to code again. So this is short description ID. Now go to edit page again. Now you see this is product short description. Now right click on it and then click on inspect element. So we are going to find ID of this section. Now you see div ID. So this div ID highlight this section. So this ID we use in code. Now you see post and then you see side normal. Now in code you see product tags. So this is product tags ID and this is side. Now back to edit section. Now you see product tags. So right click on it and then click on inspect. Now you see div ID tags div product underscore tag. So we added in code. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snipper. Now snipper created and save. Go to edit page, refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see product tags remove. Also you don't see any product short description section is also hide. Now we are going to hide product categories. Now right click on it and then you see inspect, so click on it and now find ID. Now you see this div ID section, highlight this product categories. Now you see ID product underscore cat div. Now copy this, back to code. Now you see copy this line. Now paste here, copy this and then paste. Now this is ID, again copy and then paste here. And then you see side. So this is sidebar. So right here side and then click on update. Now snippet updated done. Go to product page again and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see product category is removed because we added ID and then mention side. So you can hide any meta box using code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So you can add your section ID and then you can add normal or sidebar. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.